Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist for choosing the right e-signature software for your startup. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, we'll break down the process into manageable steps, helping you make an informed decision that fits your business needs. Whether you're just launching or scaling up, selecting the right tool can streamline your workflow, improve security, and enhance your team's productivity. Let's dive in and start with the basics of what e-signature software is and why it matters for startups. E-signature software allows users to sign documents electronically, eliminating the need for physical paperwork. For startups, this means faster contract turnaround, reduced administrative burden, and improved document tracking. Most solutions offer features like secure authentication, audit trails, and integration with other business tools. Understanding these core functions is essential before you start evaluating different products. In the next scene, we'll discuss why choosing the right e-signature platform is crucial for your startup's success. For startups, efficiency and security are top priorities. E-signature software helps you close deals faster, maintain compliance, and create a professional impression with clients and partners. It also reduces costs associated with printing, mailing, and storing paper documents. By choosing the right solution, you can automate repetitive tasks and focus on growing your business. Let's move on to the first step in our checklist, identifying your startup's specific needs. Start by listing the specific requirements your startup has for e-signature software. Consider the types of documents you'll be signing, the number of users, and any industry-specific regulations you must follow. Do you need mobile access? Will you be integrating with existing tools like CRM or cloud storage? By clarifying your needs up front, you'll be able to filter out options that don't fit and focus on solutions that truly align with your business goals. Budget is a key factor for any startup. Determine how much you're willing to invest in e-signature software. Some platforms offer free plans with limited features, while others require monthly or annual subscriptions. Factor in potential growth. Will the pricing scale as your team expands? Don't forget to account for any hidden costs, such as integration fees or premium support. Setting a clear budget will help you narrow down your options efficiently. Legal compliance is non-negotiable when it comes to digital signatures. Make sure the software you choose complies with relevant laws, such as the e-Sign Act in the US or eIDAS in the EU. This ensures your electronic signatures are legally binding and recognized in court. Some industries, like finance or healthcare, may have additional requirements. Always verify that the platform provides proper audit trails and document authentication features to meet your compliance needs. Security is paramount for startups handling sensitive information. Look for e-signature solutions that offer robust encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure storage. Features like tamper-evident seals and detailed access logs can further protect your documents. Ask vendors about their data protection policies and whether they undergo regular security audits. Choosing a secure platform not only protects your business, but also builds trust with your clients and partners. Your e-signature software should fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. Check if the platform integrates with your CRM, cloud storage, project management tools, or other business applications. Popular integrations include Google Drive, Salesforce, and Slack. Smooth integration saves time, reduces manual data entry, and minimizes errors. Make a list of your must-have integrations and prioritize solutions that support them out of the box. A user-friendly interface is essential for adoption across your team. Test the software's usability. Can users easily upload, sign, and send documents? Is the dashboard intuitive? Look for platforms that offer onboarding resources, tutorials, and responsive customer support. A smooth user experience reduces training time and ensures everyone can use the tool effectively from day one. In today's fast-paced world, mobile access is a must. Check if the e-signature software offers a mobile app or a responsive web interface. This allows your team and clients to sign documents on the go, speeding up business processes. Test the mobile experience yourself to ensure it's as smooth and secure as the desktop version. Mobile accessibility can be a game changer for startups with remote or distributed teams. Templates and automation can save your startup valuable time. Look for software that allows you to create reusable templates for frequently used documents, such as NDAs or contracts. Automation features like reminders, bulk sending, and workflow management can further streamline your processes. These tools help reduce manual work and ensure consistency across your business documents. Transparency is vital for startups, especially when dealing with legal documents. Choose e-signature software that provides detailed reporting and audit trails. This allows you to track who signed what and when, ensuring accountability. Audit trails are also crucial for compliance and dispute resolution. Make sure the platform offers easy access to these records and allows you to export them when needed. Reliable customer support can make a big difference, especially if you encounter issues or need help with setup. Check if the vendor offers multiple support channels, such as live chat, email, or phone. Look for platforms with responsive support teams and comprehensive help centers. Reading user reviews can also give you insight into the quality of customer service. Good support ensures you can resolve problems quickly and keep your business running smoothly. Your startup may grow quickly, so it's important to choose e-signature software that can scale with you. Check if the platform supports adding more users, increasing document volume, and integrating with additional tools as your needs evolve. Scalable solutions prevent the hassle of switching platforms later and ensure your investment remains valuable as your business expands. Before making a final decision, read user reviews on trusted platforms like G2, Capterra, or Trustpilot. Reviews can reveal real-world pros and cons, highlight common issues, and provide insight into customer satisfaction. Pay attention to feedback from other startups, as their experiences may closely match your own needs. This step can help you avoid potential pitfalls and choose a solution with a proven track record. Most e-signature vendors offer demos or free trials. Take advantage of these opportunities to test the software firsthand. Invite your team to participate and gather feedback on usability, features, and overall fit. A trial period lets you evaluate how well the platform meets your needs before committing to a purchase. Don't hesitate to ask the vendor questions during the demo to clarify any uncertainties. Once you've shortlisted a few options, compare their pricing plans in detail. Look at what's included in each tier. Some features may only be available in higher price plans. Consider the total cost of ownership, including any add-ons or future upgrades you might need. Transparent pricing helps you avoid surprises and ensures you get the best value for your investment. A vendor's reputation can tell you a lot about their reliability and commitment to customers. Research the company's history, client list, and any awards or certifications they've received. Established vendors with a strong track record are more likely to provide stable, well-supported solutions. This step adds an extra layer of confidence to your decision-making process. Data residency and privacy are increasingly important, especially if you handle sensitive or regulated information. Check where your data will be stored and whether the vendor complies with relevant privacy laws, such as GDPR. Some startups may require data to be stored in specific regions. Make sure the platform offers clear privacy policies and robust data protection measures. Every startup is unique, so customization can be a valuable feature. Look for e-signature platforms that allow you to brand documents with your logo, customize workflows, and tailor notifications. Customization ensures the software fits your processes and reinforces your brand identity in every client interaction. If your startup has technical resources, API access can be a game changer. It allows you to integrate e-signature functionality directly into your own apps or websites. This can automate document workflows and create a seamless experience for your users. Make sure the vendor provides comprehensive API documentation and support for developers. Consider how the software handles document storage and retention. Does it offer secure, long-term storage? Can you easily retrieve or export documents when needed? Some platforms provide built-in archiving features, while others may require integration with third-party storage solutions. Make sure the retention policies align with your business and legal requirements. If your startup operates globally or plans to expand, international support is essential. Check if the e-signature platform supports multiple languages, time zones, and international compliance standards. This ensures smooth operations with clients and partners worldwide and helps you avoid legal or technical barriers as you grow. Some situations require signing documents without internet access. Check if the e-signature software supports offline signing, allowing users to complete documents and sync them once they're back online. This feature can be especially useful for field teams or clients in areas with unreliable connectivity. Automated notifications and reminders help ensure documents are signed promptly. Look for platforms that allow you to customize notification settings, send reminders to signers, and track document status in real time. These features reduce delays and keep your business processes moving efficiently. Many business agreements require signatures from multiple parties. Ensure the software supports multi-party signing, allowing several users to sign the same document in sequence or simultaneously. This feature streamlines complex workflows and ensures everyone involved can participate easily. For startups wanting a fully branded experience, white label options are worth considering. Some e-signature platforms allow you to customize the interface, emails, and document appearance with your own branding. This creates a seamless experience for clients and reinforces your company's professional image. Advanced authentication methods, such as biometric verification or SMS codes, add an extra layer of security. If your startup handles highly sensitive documents, consider platforms that offer these features. Enhanced authentication helps prevent unauthorized access and ensures only intended recipients can sign. Accessibility is important for ensuring all users can interact with your documents. Look for e-signature software that complies with accessibility standards, such as WCAG. Features like screen reader compatibility and keyboard navigation make the platform usable for everyone, including those with disabilities. Some e-signature platforms offer built-in document editing and collaboration tools. This allows multiple users to review, comment, and make changes before signing. Collaborative features can speed up negotiations and ensure all parties are on the same page before finalizing agreements. Check which file formats the e-signature software supports. Common formats include PDF, Word, and image files. Broad format support ensures you can work with all your business documents without needing to convert files, saving time, and reducing errors. Customizable notifications let you tailor communication to your team and clients. Choose software that allows you to personalize email templates, set notification triggers, and control the frequency of reminders. This keeps everyone informed and engaged throughout the signing process. Platform reliability is crucial for business continuity. Check the vendor's uptime guarantees and history of service interruptions. Reliable e-signature software ensures your team can access documents and complete transactions without unexpected downtime. Going paperless with e-signature software is already an eco-friendly move, but some vendors go further by supporting green initiatives. Look for platforms that use renewable energy, offset carbon emissions, or promote sustainability. This can align with your startup's values and appeal to environmentally conscious clients. Effective onboarding ensures your team can start using the software quickly. Check if the vendor provides training materials, webinars, or dedicated onboarding support. Good resources reduce the learning curve and help your team get the most out of the platform from day one. Data loss can be catastrophic for startups. Ensure the e-signature platform offers robust backup and disaster recovery options. This includes regular data backups, secure storage, and clear recovery procedures in case of system failures. Reliable backup protects your business-critical documents and ensures continuity. Many platforms offer free plans or trials, but these often come with limitations. Review what's included. Some may restrict the number of documents, users, or features. Understanding these limits helps you avoid surprises and plan for a smooth transition to a paid plan if needed. A vendor's product roadmap shows their commitment to innovation and improvement. Ask about upcoming features, planned updates, and how they handle customer feedback. Choosing a vendor with a clear vision ensures your software stays current and continues to meet your evolving needs. It's wise to plan for the future, including the possibility of switching vendors. Check if you can easily export your documents and data. Good data portability ensures you retain control over your information and can transition smoothly if your needs change. If your team or clients speak different languages, language and localization support is essential. Choose software that offers multiple language options and localized interfaces. This ensures clear communication and a better user experience for everyone involved. Ensure the e-signature software is compatible with all the devices and operating systems your team uses. This includes Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and web browsers. Broad compatibility ensures everyone can access and use the platform without technical barriers. Custom workflows allow you to tailor the signing process to your business needs. Look for platforms that let you define signing order, add approval steps, and automate document routing. Custom workflows increase efficiency and ensure your processes are followed consistently. Different agreements may require different types of signatures, such as typed, drawn, or certificate-based. Ensure the software supports all signature types you need. This flexibility allows you to handle a variety of documents and meet legal or client requirements. Choosing a vendor with a proven track record and long-term viability is important for your startup's stability. Research how long the company has been in business, their financial health, and their commitment to ongoing support. A stable vendor reduces risk and ensures you'll have support for years to come. Congratulations! You've now worked through a comprehensive checklist for choosing e-signature software for your startup. By following these steps, you can confidently select a solution that fits your needs, supports your growth, and keeps your business secure and efficient. Remember to revisit your requirements as your startup evolves, and don't hesitate to reevaluate your tools periodically. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your search for the perfect e-signature platform.